Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice, practicing in Bangalore from the last 15 years. A lot of people ask the dermatologist this question. What are the tips for having great skin? What are the tips for having flawless skin? I think all of us are born with great skin, but how we manage it is what causes our skin to look its best. A lot of times, skincare starts with changing your diet and changing your lifestyle. So I cannot stress more on making sure that you exercise regularly, at least for 45 minutes every day. Making sure that your heart is beating and your insulin levels are low. Make sure that the skin is always looking good. The second thing I would like to tell you is to change your diet to include a lot of brightly colored fruits and vegetables in your diet. Brightly colored fruits and vegetables contain lycopenes, pycnogenols, bioflavinoids, which are all super antioxidants which not only help your skin to fight pigmentation, fight the sun, but also fight signs of aging. Make sure that you are having enough water in your diet. Avoid smoking, which is definitely something which causes a lot of pigmentation, wrinkles and sagging of the skin, in addition to causing a lot of acne as well as melasma. It can make it much worse. Make sure that you are using the correct face cleanser for your face. Usually I tell all my patients to use a pH balanced cleanser, to use a very gentle soap-free cleanser if you are having a very dry sensitive skin type, and to use a salicylic acid face cleanser if you are having a more oily skin type. Make sure that you are moisturizing your skin. Moisturizer makes sure that the skin does not go dry and you don't get very few lines early in your life. Your moisturizer can contain enough of hyaluronic acid. It can contain a little bit of ceramides to restore the skin's natural balance so that your skin does always looks its bouncy and healthy best. Don't skimp on the sunscreen. Buy a broad spectrum sunscreen and then use it generously even when you're indoors, definitely when you're stepping outdoors. Once you cross into your 30s, make sure that you invest in a good vitamin C serum to apply on the face. Vitamin C has a great antioxidant effect. It makes sure that your skin does not pigment very easily and it will take away the signs of aging. Vitamin A creams, when recommended by your dermatologist twice a week, will exfoliate the dead layers of your skin and make your skin look great. Once you cross into your 30s, remember to invest in good skin polishing treatments at least once a month. This could be either a very gentle chemical peel or a microdermabrasion session. This will keep the skin turnover going and make sure that your skin is always looking glowing and flawless. Speak to your dermatologist today to understand more about skincare tips.